Well, I had just got out from the county prison doing 90 days for non-support. Tried to find me an executive position, but no matter how smooth I talk, they wouldn't listen to the fact I was genius, and they said we got all that we can use. Now I got them steadily depressing, low down my missing, working at the car wash blues. Well, I should be sitting in an air-conditioned office in a swivel chair, talking some trash to the secretary, saying, "Hey now baby, come on over here." Instead I'm stuck here rubbing these feathers with a rag, walking home in soggy old shoes, with them steadily depressing, low down my missing, working at the car wash blues. Well, a man of my abilities, he should be smoking a big cigar. But till I get myself straight, I guess I'll just have to wait in my rubber suit rubbing these cars. Well, all I can do is a shake of my head. You might not believe that it's true, for working at this end of Niagara Falls is an undiscovered avenue. So baby, now don't let me see me with no double martini in your highbrow society news. Got them steadily depressing, low down my missing, working at the car wash blues. So baby, now don't let me see me with no double martini in your highbrow society news. Got them steadily depressing, low down my missing, working at the car wash blues. Yes, I got them steadily depressing, low down my missing, working at the car wash